structure, but at the same time, we pretty much held this area. We didn't really have a significant break of structure to downside at this area. This was just taking out the stop losses, taking out the lows right here. We started pushing up. And as you know, once we take the stop losses and we have the manipulation and everything, we have very big pushes. In fact, as you can see, these 4 hours were very nice. Pushes to the upside, retracement, bigger pushes to the upside. Now, there is a supply right here. Yes, it is fresh. Yes, it is in confluence with the fibs, even better. But I would say that the bearish structure is not in place right now. We didn't have a significant break of structure right here. This is just taking out the low with some wicks and then pushing to the upside very, very fast. Well, let me just show you NZD-JPY and you will see the similarities, since I want to look better into USD CAD. So this was NZD-JPY 4 hours stop hunts right here with the wicks, taking out the previous lows, taking out the stop losses, very big pushes to the upside. Now, if you're counting this as a break of structure, yes, you might be looking for sells. I'm counting this as a manipulation to take prices higher, also because I will count this as equal lows, okay? Sorry, no, I just say the wrong. I just say the worst thing I could say. I was counting this as equal lows after saying that there was manipulation down here. So no, we took out the lows, sorry. I was saying we didn't break structure in my opinion, and I don't really have a bias for NZD-JPY. Looking at this picture, I will need to zoom out, possibly on the daily, look at some things, but for now I'm not looking for sales here. Same thing as NZD-USD, and this is, I believe, why I was talking about equal lows. Yeah, there you go. So here we didn't really have a stop hunt. I mean, yes, we wicked a little bit below this area, which could be the stop hunt or whatever. It's not the same as NZD-JPY. Anyway, this could be the only confluence that we have to actually highs, equal lows and equal highs are just basically double bottoms and double tops, and there is liquidity above and below those areas. It's just like the 1 minute strategy, just with different names or in different time frames. You know, when on the 1 minute strategy we create the buying climax, automatic rally. Well, let me do it the other way, so it's more, looks more like this. The selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, and whatever the break of structure, or maybe we don't break the structure yet, the spring, break of structure, continuation. Now, yes, this is the 1 minute strategy, but it is, as I said many times in the group, it works on any time frame, and these are basically our equal lows. Okay, below equal lows and above equal highs, we have liquidity. So let's start from the fact that the market needs liquidity to move, and in order to move a lot, it needs to grab liquidity from other traders. In order for some people to make money, other people need to lose money. So because of this, we know that all people or retail traders are trading double bottoms, double tops, and probably they put, you know, they enter the double bottom or the double top and they put their stop loss above or below it. Now, since there are many stop losses placed at those areas, we will eventually take out those areas to move in a faster and stronger way into our direction. Now, our main goal in trading should be to not beat the liquidity. Of course, that will not be easy at all to do, but these concepts can help you. Equal highs. Now, this is a good example on GBP/USD, and if I zoom out, you can see that my overall base is bullish because of the breaks of structure. If I zoom in for my entry and I look at my demand area, I can notice a equal low, a double bottom on my demand area. And therefore, yes, we're basically looking for a move below the equal low, taking out the equal lows, tapping into another area of the 50% area of the order block of the demand area, maybe not necessarily the 50%, maybe here just below the equal lows, basically to buy. Yes, price moves. For USD CAD, I'm just going with this one because I really want to see, you know, equal highs taken out, push to a fresh supply area for a big drop. This is what I'm looking for on USD CAD. Let me put equal highs right here. And you can see what I mean. You can see also one thing that we should consider, as you know, maybe I didn't explain it this way on the 1 minute strategy. I just explained the strategy, but basically the market needs liquidity to move. Maybe I said it, I don't remember, but basically the market needs liquidity to move. To make big moves, it needs liquidity. So because of this, we might be looking to sell from here because it will take out many stop losses that are above these highs. And also it will take out many traders who entered from higher prices right here, and they will take their stop loss at entries, and then we will have liquidity to move. At least this is my opinion, and we will look into this if we approach this price. Now, we have two possible approaches. I will tell you which approach I will have, but I'm giving two options. You can have a sell limit from here, sell limit from the beginning of the supply, stop loss above the supply, and just enter with the sell limit. Many traders use sell limits. I do use them sometimes, not many times. Or you can wait for the price to approach that area, go on the 1 minute and see what happens on the 1 minute. If you have the premium version of, you know, trading view, I will, in this setup, since it is a very small setup, like it's not like a 1 hour setup, it is a 5 minute setup, I will go in even into the 30 seconds or the 15 seconds to actually look at possibly some wyckoff once we reach this area. But yeah, but now I'm just waiting for that area to be reached. I will put my alert and I will wait. EURUSD